Hello everyone, I'm Realiza and I'm part of the discussion of the importance of HTML5 replacing the Adobe Flash technology, topic 8. The shift from Adobe Flash to HTML5 is crucial for several reasons. HTML5 ensures better mobile compatibility, widespread browser support, improved security, and enhanced performance. It adheres to open standards, promotes accessibility, and reduces dependence on third-party plugins. This transition is necessary for creating a more secure, efficient, and future-proof web experience. Now, Adobe Flash was a popular multimedia software platform used for creating and delivering rich content on the web. However, it had several drawbacks such as security vulnerabilities, poor performance, and lack of support for mobile devices. Now, HTML5, on the other hand, is an open standard that provides a more secure, efficient, and flexible way to create multimedia content for the web. It is supported by all major web browsers and is compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones and tablets. Now, HTML5 has several features that make it an ideal replacement for Adobe Flash, such as better performance, improved security, cross-platform compatibility, better access, performance, and open standards. So for the better performance, HTML5 is faster and more efficient than Flash for several reasons. First, HTML5 is natively supported by modern web browsers, which means that it does not require any additional plugins or software to run. This reduces the amount of processing power required to display multimedia content, resulting in faster load times and smoother performance. HTML is more flexible than Flash, which means that it can be used to create a wider range of multimedia content. For example, HTML5 can be used to create animations, games, and other interactive content, as well as audio and video content. This makes it a more versatile platform for delivering multimedia content on the web. Furthermore, it is faster and more efficient than Flash because it is natively supported by modern web browsers, it is more lightweight, and it is more flexible. These factors combine to make HTML5 a better platform for delivering multimedia content on the web.
So hi guys, I'm John Pulutan, and for today's video, we will tackle about the importance of HTML5 replacing the Adobe Flash technology in improving our security. So we all know HTML5 is more secure than Flash because it does not require any plugins or add-ons to run. This reduces the risk of security vulnerabilities and make it less susceptible to cyber attacks. So there are other alternatives in for more secure um, for improving security. So in HTML5, there is a built-in security features such as the sandbox attributes for iframes, so which helps isolate potentially malicious content. And also this enhances overall web by securing and by restricting the capabilities of embed content and reducing the risk of cross-site scripting attacks. So another one is HTML5 have improved multimedia support. So HTML5 provides native support for multimedia elements, reducing the reliance on third-party plugins like Flash. This not only streamlines the user experience, but also reduces the attack surface by eliminating potential vulnerabilities introduced by external plugins. So the next one is the importance of HTML5 replacing the Adobe Flash technology in cross-platform compatibility. So we all know that HTML5 is compatible with a wide range devices and platforms, including desktop, laptop, smartphones, and tablets. This means that developer can create multimedia content that works seamlessly across different devices and platforms. So that's all, guys.
So hello everyone, I am Julian Jimenez and I'm going to tackle about HTML5's performance and accessibility. So HTML5 surpasses Adobe Flash in accessibility owing to its inherent features and advancement. HTML5's native support for semantic elements, ARIA attributes, and responsive design fosters a more accessible web environment. Its compatibility across devices eliminates barriers, ensuring seamless access for users with disabilities. In contrast, Flash lacked native accessibility support and faced compatibility and security and performance issues. Its better integration with assistive technologies and the industry shift away from Flash underscore its superiority in creating inclusive and accessible web content. Now let's proceed to its performance. So HTML5 outperforms Adobe Flash in performance due to its inherent efficiency and design advantages. So unlike Flash, which is often strained processing power and memory, HTML5 offers a streamlined approach, optimizing resource usage for faster performance across devices. So the support for hardware acceleration further elevates HTML5, leveraging the device's GPU for rendering, resulting in smoother animations and quicker multimedia display. So additionally, continuous enhancements in JavaScript and engines used by HTML5 contribute to its improved efficiency and speed. So, moreover, HTML5's emphasis on security and stability enhances its performance by providing a more secure environment, reducing the risk of crashes due to vulnerabilities. So its mobile-centric design ensures responsiveness across various devices, facilitating smoother experiences on smartphones and tablets. And collectively, these attributes underscore HTML5's superior performance compared to Adobe Flash. So it is enabling faster, more stable, and more efficient web and has a more efficient web experiences across diverse platforms and usage scenarios.
Hello everyone, I'm Kit Adrian Jocars and I will talk more about the importance of HTML5 replacing the Adobe Flash technology. Another reason for that is the open standards. HTML is based on open standards and it's maintained by a community-driven process, promoting transparency and collaboration. This stands in contrast to Adobe Flash, which was proprietary technology controlled by a single company and ultimately became obsolete due to its lack of adaptability and widespread. In conclusion to our report, HTML5 has become the standard for web development due to several reasons. Its open nature, cross-platform compatibility, improved performance, mobile friendliness, enhanced security, and multimedia capabilities. The phasing out of Adobe Flash in favor of HTML5 has resulted in a more robust and sustainable foundation for building modern web applications and content. The shift from Adobe Flash and HTML5 is essential for ensuring a more secure, compatible, and performant web experience, especially in the context of evolving technology trends and the need for a more open and standardized approach to web development.
I'll be starting. Hello, my name is Abil M. Malented, and I am here today to present how to implement HTML5. And yeah, first things first. Before we do that, I'm gonna do is to create a folder. Then after creating folder, you need to create a file. So when creating a folder, you're just gonna go and open folder. Or after opening a folder, you're just gonna go locate the document or downloads or desktop or whatever you want to go in this computer. And I am currently working on my web project folder, and I'm selecting the practice folder, which is then selected. After after selecting the folder, I'm just gonna go to then open this folder, then create another file. After creating a file, I'm just gonna name this like okay, no, that was wrong. I'm just gonna name this into something like I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm just gonna go and put something like text, and then gonna go for index. Then after putting index, you're just gonna go rename this txt extension file name to HTML. After renaming that, you're gonna have this kind of file or something thing here. And then if you cannot see the extension, you're just gonna go to options. After the options, you're gonna go to view. After the view, you're just gonna go find this hide extension for known file types. Then gonna recheck that, and that's all. You just gonna apply, okay, and you can see all the extension files, and that's all. So now I'm gonna open my HTML5, and now we're going to make an HTML implementation. So in these days, when implementing HTML5, just gonna go type a doc type HTML. Oh no, HTML, and that's all. That's all you need. you have HTML5. No, it's not that. You're just gonna go implement all of the HTML properties and tags. So that's like we always do, the basics. HTML's tag is where the HTML goes to your website, right? And then head means the head, or we could put it where all the head should be, like your head, right? And there's a body. You can put a body, which is the body of your website. And don't forget the end tag. There's always an end tag to a first tag, okay? An entry tag, then an end tag, okay? So we can just go with a footer if you want to. Oh, no. You can just go for a footer and then the end tag of the footer. Just gonna put that, and there you go. You have an HTML5. Oh, it's gonna maximize that so you can see. And in here in the head, you can put in the head the what you call this, the title, the internal CSS, which is we have three parts of CSS, which is the internal, inline, internal, and external. Inline is where you have a tag element in the properties, and those are just like this. You know, go put the body, then let's say you're just gonna go put the background on that, then what color would be, why it should be, just like that. That's all you need to put when you are doing an inline external inline. And after doing an inline, if you want the internal, you're just gonna go type style. After putting style, you're gonna put the end tag. And styles always do what you call this, the one. And SSS is a very long conversation, or it's a very long topic. That's why I'm just not gonna put that in my topic. I'm just gonna go through the basics, which is the basics should be what's do we do? Title, right? You're gonna go title, put the title first, then let's say HTML5 implementation. This is just the title for your HTML, so title. And if you run this, click Control S, which is save. Then if you go to its website here, and if you reload this, you can see the title here, HTML5 implementation. And then there you go. And the body, we have basic, which is H1, or the biggest one. There's always an H2 till H2, which is the end tag. And this will go till H6, which is the tag H6. I'm just gonna go comment this one so that you can. Oh, am I right at commenting something or not? Oh no. Wait, I think I'm not getting this one. Oh yun. Yay! This is how to comment an HTML. A tag in HTML or a text in HTML so that you can put any comments here if you want to. This is the last or the lowest or the what you call this, little text. Little text, no. What you call this? Just text. That's all. Just get put the text on that. Then after this, let's like header. We can just go the header one, and this is the header two. We call this header one and header two. Okay. Now I remember this is header one and header two until header 6. Furthermore, it's going to header 6. So that's the header. And now, you're going to put the paragraph, P, which is paragraph. And then you can go and put an end tag first. So you can just go here and I am implementing HTML5 today. So this is the use of paragraph. So by breaking it, if you want to go for spacing or another line of space, you're just gonna go for BR, or we should call it break. Break the line. Yeah, break the line. So breaking that, just gonna go and break. Yeah, let's see. BR, it's gonna break the line, and if you can just Control S this, save, and then voila, you're just gonna go here. You can see this is all the implementation of HTML5. And if you want to learn a lot more, do a research and be professional on it. After all, everything is online. Okay, that's all for today. That's my implementation of HTML5. And thank you. Have a good day. Thank you so much.